In this video you can learn how to edit and change Skype name or Skype profile name. If this is the first time visiting my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. Having logged into our Skype account, to change the profile name or Skype name, we need to click this three-dotted More option. And next, we need to select the Settings tab to go to the Settings page. Next, in the Settings window we need to go to Skype Profile section. Here on this page, to change this profile name we need to click Edit Profile button link. Next, we can edit the old Skype name and add new Skype name and save the changes. Let's go back and confirm the Skype name change in the Skype chat window. And we are done, the Skype profile name change has been effected. I hope you find this video content helpful. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like and share this video tutorial and subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added.